Most of the coaches have no personality. They just talk. You need to become that aspirational personality. Like, man, I want to be like this person. I want to be like that person. This is the asset. How much time they spend on their grooming, well-being, presentable. Same thing for us. You're the most important person in your business, so you have to invest in that. Hero grooming, men. Let me share something interesting, okay? And I'm being open and vulnerable with you guys, okay? I was so bad at grooming, not just as a child, not just in college, right? Even after starting a business, I think I was not polished in grooming. Because ये subject था ही नहीं ना. So it's not even our fault. This is not. You see, if you're in Italy, by default, you'll see good, handsome looking and beautiful women and dressings. You're in that environment. People like us coming from slums, what personality, what styles and all. But of course, it gives you a foundation something, but you have to take it to the next level, right? We do not even have the foundation. Forget about the elite, right? So, slowly, right? If you look at my childhood photos or college photos also, I look so funny. I destroyed most of the photos. I destroyed. I don't want. This should not come out. This is a secret cover. These photos should not. How many have those photos? Everybody, right? So, but not just then. When I was looking at even my corporate job and I was there, my dressing was so shabby. Like, it was so bad. Like, I used to think that I'm being dressed formally. But formal ke naam pe, clothes are actually not formal. Kuch bhi atrangi I'm putting. Right? And that slowly I got started and evolved. But when I became passionpreneur mentor, that's when my consciousness improved. And let me tell you, your hero personality, the way you look, is not going to change overnight. It'll all come in installments. You will realize this, and you'll fix this. And you'll realize this, and you'll fix it. Okay? Until last year, especially for men, I did not know I can get all these waxed, all these waxed, all these waxed, all these waxed. I did not know. Some of you think, मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता है. Some of you like, I don't know even now. Yeah. So, I was like, oh wow, I'm 40 years old. I did not know waxing, right? But threading also, the men also. So I used to do threading, right? So I used to do, I used to have these things plucked because this actually, it's actually very funny. I was in a job, a few years ago. One of my friend told me, I used to shave here, right? We men, we have shaved here, right? All this is good. But he's like, Dev, itne sare baal kyun hai ye? It looks yuck, bro. I said, okay, I need to get something done here. It's crazy. And it changes a lot. It changes your personality a lot, right? So you see now, I don't have much hair here. Right? I don't have hair here. So many things is gone. It is part of the grooming. It is part of the grooming. So men, please take some time out. Go to some good salons, right? Pay the money, right? Spend on grooming. So your hair, your trimming and your cleanup. You see, you would have seen a lot of people. Now again, I'm not here to judge. I'm not here to give you any advice, okay? But I'll tell you the observation that what looks good, what not looks good, right? There's one of the influencers, I'm not going to name anybody, all right? He's very bald from front only. Back and all is fine. Just the front part is bald and looks weird, right? I said, why don't you shave it off, man? I could not tell him. I was like, why don't you shave off? You look way cooler than the half Chandrama. Right? Half moon. It's better to have full moon than to have half moon. Do it, right? But I bet most of these coaches, trainers, influencers, businessmen, they never took any grooming lessons. They never went to stylish. 99% of them, I'm telling you. That's why all the people that you see, they have no personality. Most of the coaches have no personality. They just talk. But just talking is not enough, right? You need to become that aspiring, aspirational personality. And man, I want to be like this person. I want to be like that person, right? So your hair, your trimming, sunscreen. How many of you still don't use sunscreen? Be honest. Till last 2-3 months back. You should not. Farrell changed you. Good. Thank you for being honest, right? I also was ignorant. I never used sunscreen. Right? Dubai definitely needs. I started using a lot in last 1 or 2 years, but I never had the moisturizing cream, no sunscreen, no lotion. I was like, men don't need it. Right? I thought, women only karte na ye sab. I used to think that ye sab to, ladkiyon ke chochle hain. This was my ignorance. Right? I thought this is only for girls, man. Like what? Now I have my routine after shower routine. Right? I have some time before shower routines as well, but after shower routine, I need to have specific lotion. I need to have eye cream as well, right? I need to have different things. Sometimes I have to do the mask. Why? Because you see, all the heroes who are doing the movies, this is their asset. This is the asset. How much time they spend on their grooming, well-being, presentable. Same thing for us. Whether you are on the stage or not, it does not matter. Because this itself is our stage. This universe, our stage. The earth is our stage. So become the best version of yourself in terms of the grooming, right? All right, next up, right? So you look at this hairstyle. Even after coloring this thing, you see, it was still this thing. And it improved a little bit. It grows, right? Sometimes it grows. But you see, there was less gel, better gel. And now you see, more groom, more, side clean, more gel, better. A lot of people have never used gel thinking that gels are bad. No, because you use it and you don't sleep with the gel, right? I should not ask this, but if you don't, please shower before sleep. Please shower before sleep, right? If you don't do it, okay? Just sharing this, okay? Morning shower, night shower. Very important, okay? So because whatever gel and other things you put, you just wash it off, don't put anything. You can put, if you want to put night, whatever serum, if there's there, you can put it and sleep as well, no problem, okay? I will tell you, go to a good professional, stylish, and try and experiment few hairstyles. Men, women, whatever it is, right? And you will realize, okay, this is the best one now. Let me focus on this. Let me just make this more standard, okay? All of you have to get to that level eventually. Your personal stylish, grooming, whatever it is, what will look good, what will not look good. You hire that person. Like we hire people for, speaking and coaching for that, right? We hire people for coaching us to run a business. Why not we hire people for styling? You also, you are your business. You're the most important person in your business. So you have to invest in that. Yeah.